Hello, welcome to the Chevy Trax blow-off valve adapter install video. First, locate the turbocharger. You can locate the turbocharger by following the intake tube to the back of the engine. The stock bypass valve is located on the turbocharger itself. Unplug the connector that is on top of the bypass valve. There are 3 bolts holding the bypass valve to the turbo. Undo the 3 bolts and remove the bypass valve. Mount your Boomba Racing blow-off valve adapter to the factory bypass valve. Ensure that all the mounting holes line up correctly. If the holes do not line up correctly at first, rotate the blow-off valve adapter until they do. Reinstall the bypass valve with our blow-off valve adapter back onto the turbo, and reconnect the connector that is on top of the bypass valve. Now you're done with the install and ready to enjoy your new blow-off valve adapter.